first bit to pop off. It's literally just this plate surrounding the stereo. So you just get started on the corner and then just work your way down all the way around until the whole piece lifts off. You can just leave it there plugged in for the installation. Probably better, because you don't want to unplug that then turn the ignition on or you'll cause an error. It's probably better to just leave it plugged in. And then you've just got your 4 T20 screws holding the stereo in. So I'll just pause the video, I'll start again when this has been done. Okay, so screws are loose, pulled it out. And then you can see that's the quad lock plug. You need to pinch this tab here, then open it to pull it out. And these just come out as well, so you can use a flathead screwdriver to pull them out if they're a bit tight. Going to remove all of that. We've got the new one ready here that's going to go straight into its place, and we just need to pop the wires in. So do another video now about each wire. Okay, so I've plugged my main harness in, which is this big black one. With this one, you'll notice there's 2 plugs. Usually this one isn't used, so you're normally using that one. Just make sure you've connected these 2 little white plugs to this one. There's also plugs for the other one. Ignore those and just use the ones for this plug. That way your steering wheel controls and everything will work. There's the FM aerial. I've put the booster cable in because the signal wasn't too good. So that's this, that's this blue one. I've joined to the blue wire. And then these ones you don't need anymore, they're redundant for the old unit, don't worry about them. Blue and pink stuck down my aerials on any flat plastic surface, and make sure USBs and make sure your CAN bus plug is in, otherwise steering wheel controls won't work. This one is mainly just used for the microphone, so the little black plug labelled mic is there. And I normally put the microphone up here or something, see, and then I've run it down here. Pass it underneath the steering wheel, you can pass it up to the stereo location. So you plug your mic in. Even if you're not having a reverse camera, this should still be plugged in because it helps with the Bluetooth. So make sure that's in. USBs and the SIM card holder I've usually put in the glove box down there, so you can get them from there to there with a bit of manoeuvring. As long as that's all plugged in, it will work. Plug and play. Steering wheel controls should be working plug and play. Yep, so if they're not working, it means you've forgotten to connect the little CAN bus plug, which is this one, or you haven't plugged in the CAN bus box, which is the black one. So make sure those are done.